When most people think of criminal defense or a criminal case, they assume that whoever's been arrested has done something wrong. They assume that the person in handcuffs is a criminal and that they've broken the law and that they ought to be punished. To me, though, the most precious thing we have going for us in this country is the presumption of innocence. And we are all unbelievably blessed to live in a country where accusation and guilt are two very different things. The single most valuable piece of advice I could give anybody facing a criminal charge is do not talk to police. The Fifth Amendment exists for a reason, and when the police officer tells you that anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law, they mean it. And you have a God-given right to say nothing at all, and you should. You need experienced guidance through this process. The earlier on in this process you call a lawyer, the better off you're going to be. Here and now, in this republic, there's still a long gap between you getting charged with something and you being convicted. And my job is to make sure that if you're going to be convicted, that we've done everything we can possibly do to make sure that the proof and the evidence and the facts support that conviction. Our philosophy with really any case we have is that until I hear differently, this case is going to trial. It's amazing how much will happen just when you decide to fight.